So, I have discovered a completely new website that we have never discussed before that would pay you real money for performing easy tasks. I also discovered this free program that does all of the work for you. As a result, you may enjoy some passive income and earn money without having to spend hours finishing those activities, and of course, without having to invest any money. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below, it will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you will be notified anytime I submit a new video. If you truly want to make this work, make sure you follow all of the steps and don't skip any. This will now be a completely free piece of software that will do all of the work for you. So, as I previously stated, you may earn money without having to work. Now, before we get back to this program and before I explain how it works, you must first visit this gold mine for generating money online. And it is a completely new website that we have never discussed on this channel before, and I will offer the link to it later. But first, let's see how it works. This website is a creative masterpiece. This website is available globally, so no matter where you are from, you may profit from it. It is currently available in India, the Philippines, the United States, Canada, and Australia. It makes no difference because everyone may use this website to earn money for free. As you can see, they are willing to compensate you for your time. There is no need to invest anything. With this platform, you may earn money in a variety of ways. However, there will be one single thing that we will do right now that will make you the most money without you having to do any of the hard work. However, if you want to generate even more money and optimize your results while the program performs the job for you, you should use this software. Market research, typing employment, editing, translation, advertising, and online education are just some of the options. You may earn even more money this way, and it is entirely up to you if you choose to do so. However, even with just one specific area that the software will handle for you, you may make a substantial amount of money every day. Finally, you have testimonies from individuals all around the world who have used our website and made money in the past. You may work from anywhere at any time and make as much as you want without making any financial investment. As I previously stated, this is a fresh new website on this channel that we have never discussed before, yet it has been live for quite some time. It has been online since 2014, indicating that it is a really good website. It has been around for a long time. If that didn't work, they would most likely vanish the next year. However, they've been online for more than 6 years. You may now place your mouse here if you go to the official webpage. It reads Career, which will take you to a list of several jobs that you may perform on this website to earn money. Now, if you click on Career, you will see all of these other options. Online paid surveys, online typing jobs, online ad publication, medical transcription, and so on and so forth are all available. However, we will concentrate solely on online proofreading tasks that pay between $5 and $10 per 1,000 words. And what you're doing here is repairing grammatical problems, spelling errors, and rectifying factual inaccuracies. So all you have to do now is finish the grammar correction tasks. Don't be concerned now. You do not need to be fluent in English. You don't need to be fluent in any language since the free program I'm going to give will take care of everything. So all you have to do is copy and paste the article into the program and it will handle the rest. You simply return here and collect your money. You may repeat the process as needed and I will explain how it works in detail. For the time being, merely click on online proofreading jobs to learn more. You can learn more about how it works here. You may learn more about the nature of the employment, the pay rates, and how much they will pay you. As you can see, a proofreader can earn anything from $5 to $10 per page or 1,000 words. As a result, One page of an article can earn you up to $10. I have seen some assignments that are as lengthy as 20 pages per piece, which adds up to roughly $200 for a single job that you didn't have to do yourself since, as I previously stated, the program does all of the work for you. Here is an example of an article I discovered on this website after I applied for a job. So as you can see, you would get something like this. You can open the document and view this text over here. This essay is 3 pages long, which means I can earn up to $30 for completing it. Other individuals who haven't seen the video yet will have to read the article and repair all of the grammatical faults themselves. As a result, you got lucky when you click on this video. Now I'm going to provide you a program that will take care of everything so you don't have to do any of the hard work. All you have to do now is copy this entire article and put it into the program. Before we get to that software and before I offer you that free tool, I need to teach you how to apply for jobs and where to acquire this article so you can get paid $10, $20, $30, or $50 for each work you finish. So what you need to do is go to this page, visit cjink.info for more information. This is the website's address. You will need to scroll down and click on Apply for Jobs right here. So click on the Apply for Jobs option and then on the Download Application form. Then you will see this registration form which you will have to fill out. You will need to choose a job and your current work will be proofreading. So right here, pick proofreading jobs and then put your first and last names as well as your email address in this box. As a result, you must provide your email address so that they can give you future employment opportunities. You provide your age, gender, and whether or not you are married. You will need to add your phone number here so that they may contact you if there are any new employment openings. Enter your nation and remember that it doesn't matter where you're from. You may go to any country you choose and still have work to do. Now here's the deal. If you want to maximize your results and acquire more projects to finish so that you may earn more money on this website, I recommend selecting employed under your current professional status. I'd suggest selecting employed and freelancer so that they can send more tasks your way. If you select unemployed, they may interpret this as you being lazy and not working, and they may not provide you jobs to do. As a result, selecting employed and freelancers is the finest option. Then, what hours are you available to work? I strongly advise you to check both of these options, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So you're basically available all day. Since you don't have to do the task yourself, as I previously stated, completing a job takes less than a minute and less than 60 seconds. As a result, you might do it at any time and from any location. So clearly, you don't have to sit in front of your computer all day. You are free to go wherever you wish. They have just sent you an email. You got the job, as you can see. You just copy the content, put it into the program, and the software takes care of the rest. All you have to do now is collect your cash. Then for this, I propose that you choose various organizations since you want to work with as many as possible to maximize your earnings. Then simply choose your payment method, whichever you wish to get paid. I prefer PayPal, so I would choose that and then input my PayPal email address so they could pay me immediately through PayPal. After that, before accepting this box, please sure you read this article. And yes, you are finished after you press submit. You've finished filling out the form. Now you will begin to receive those jobs. They will seem to be like this to send you an article. However, how do you go about correcting the grammatical errors? Simply read the full article, copy the complete article by clicking on it and copying the entire content, and then go to slickwrite.com. This is a completely free bot that will handle everything for you. They will repair all of your grammatical faults and verify your grammar in a matter of seconds. As you can see, SlickWrite is a strong free tool that allows you to easily check your writing for grammatical faults, stylistic flaws, and other intriguing features. The grammar checker works quickly. It happens in a flash. You simply paste your words, it performs the rest, and you are ready to utilize it and start making money from creative jobs. So simply go to slickwrite.com. If you wish, you may test the demo and watch the video to see how it works for you. You may just begin writing and begin earning money right now. So you just need to paste the text into this box right here. If they've provided you the file, you can upload it and set it over here. Or I can right click and paste, and here is the complete article. Here is my entire project on the screen. Now all I have to do is scroll down a little and click on continue. Right here is the button. Now I will wait for the bot to do all of the job for me, which it has, as you can see, by underlining all of the grammatical faults and everything that I can modify to repair the spelling and all of the mistakes. The first bot was this one, the first free program that will perform your work for you. The second piece of software you may utilize is app.grammarly.com. As a result, you will be able to utilize Grammarly. You may simply search for Grammarly proofreading on Google. And that will take you to this page where you can paste your content into this box, and it will also highlight all of the problems. When you try to rectify them, it will correct them for you. Now you can go to the word click on it, and it will take care of everything for you. So I will simply do the clicking right here, and as you can see, everything will be done in under a minute. After you've finished, simply copy this entire post, return to Creative Jobs, submit your project, and you might get paid anywhere between $10 and $200 or even $300 per task completed. It was as simple as copying and pasting a few lines of text. To summarize, go to cjink.info, apply for those jobs, get accepted for a job, get an article that looks like this, copy it, use some of the free software that I've shared with you inside of this video, paste it over here. This software corrects all of the grammar errors. You then copy the entire article with no grammatical errors, go back to this website, paste it, and collect your earnings. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.